how to make others can share your posts on their stories on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make others can share your posts on their stories on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite. Here you will find this three lines in the top corner. Click on it and go down until you find settings, and then click profile information. Here you will find this one here, and this profile information, this one profile and tagging, and then click this one, and now just turn it off. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.